Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at a simple manipulation that you can perform in Power Query. Now just imagine the data set that we have in front of you. In the first column, we have the match number, second column, the player, third column, goals. That player has scored in that match. Now let's say if you want to sum all the goals that were scored by Messi in his respective matches and the goals scored by Ronaldo in his matches. Now, in order to do that, you need to right click on the player column and click on group by. The group by will let you first of all choose the column that you want to group by for the desired output. Since we already selected the player column, this step is perfectly fine. The next step is to choose to provide a new column name. You provide total goals as column name, and the operation that we want to perform is sum, and you need to choose the column on which you need to perform this operation. This our case will be goals because we are summing the number of goals. After making these selections, we can just click on OK, and now you see we have the total goals scored by Messi in his respective matches and Ronaldo, the sum of their goals. Now let's say you want to keep the original rows as well. What you can do is just go back to the grouped rows option, double click on it, click on advanced, and you can add an aggregation where it will choose the operation of all rows. Let's call the new column name all and click on OK. So now if I have to expand this, it will let you choose the columns that we want to retain. So let's say if we choose goals, player, match number, will unselect player because you already have the player column, and there you go. After reordering your columns, you will get the original data set with the additional column which is total goals scored by Messi and Ronaldo. So that's it for this video. Do let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.